if you want to add 100 rows in your worksheet, how will you do that? So in Excel, to insert the number of rows, what you have to do is you have to select the number of rows you want to insert. So it doesn't really matter if you have some data in those rows. All you have to do is just select the number of rows that you want to add. So here we have, let's say we are starting from 10, so until 110 we will get 100 rows. So just select all of that and then right click over here where you want to insert the row, and then click on insert. So new rows will be inserted, and those will be equivalent to the number of rows that you had selected in your selection. So here we can see that we have about 100 new cells that have been created for us. And likewise, let's say if you want to insert 5 new rows, so all you have to do is select 5 rows here, and then right click and then click on insert. So now new 5 rows will be inserted. So this is how you insert multiple rows in Microsoft Excel.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.